So I thought I'd do, now that spring is basically sprunging itself, I thought I'd do a short video of me planting a few bits in the garden. A friend of mine for Christmas bought me a nice new fork, so I should be giving this a bit of a forking over, and then hopefully this little chap won't be on his own. But yeah, so using the fork, there's a couple of clinks and clanks. I'm not sure if those are stones or quite what they are, but I'll go get the daffs and we'll probably certainly try and get rid of some of those stones. Just grab one of these out and pop it in the ground, I reckon. Oh, we can see a big worm. Is that a worm? Yeah, nice big chunky worm. There he is. What? I've got bits. What's that? Is that? Ha! There's a Bitcoin. Oh, I just found a Bitcoin in the. That looks like a Bitcoin. I wonder if they're. Oh my god! I didn't see that there. Huh? There's Bitcoin in the ground! Oh my god! I'm stunned. Were they in with this, or where have they? They really are. I mean, they're metal Bitcoin. They're worth like, oh, what are they now? I don't know how much they're worth. I'm gonna have to go and have a look. Cool. It's just in the ground. It's not under these, is it? No. Huh. Oh, I'm gonna go and check on the computer. Awesome. That's so cool.